Hello, smart people. Today, I am going to show how to use CamScanner on an Android mobile phone. CamScanner helps to scan any type of document, and it's helpful for students in 2021. So, let's start. First, go to the Play Store and then search CamScanner. And click Install. Wait for a few seconds. Then open CamScanner. Show apps. Show this type of interface, and then slide this interface. Click cross mark. Then click Allow. Then click the camera icon and capture your document. Then again click the camera icon, scan document. It takes a few seconds. Then click the arrow icon. You can change the color of your scanned document, but I will set the original color. And then click the right icon. If you can scan multiple pages, click Tap to add new pages. And then scan a new page. You can add many pages using this same method. And you can import documents or images from your gallery. And select your documents. And click Import. It takes a few seconds. Then complete your document. You can easily download documents on your phone. Download your documents by clicking the Share button in the upper corner. I hope this video helpful for you. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.